Hey there and welcome back to Kaliak Studios. My name is Malay and today we are going to dive deep into one topic that can make a huge difference in your video content creation journey. Yeah, the one simple tip that could really transform your content creation. It is the importance of consistency. The most impactful tip for video content creation is prioritizing consistency. Regularly posting content helps you build an audience and establish your brand and maintain your viewer engagement. What are the benefits of consistency? Consistency can really lead to significant benefits such as increased audience retention, improved search engine rankings, and of course, stronger relationship with your viewers. So do post regularly. How to maintain consistency? Well, so to maintain optimum consistency, create a content calendar. It's as simple and stick to it. Plan your topics, filming schedules and editing timelines in advance. Consider using scheduling tools to automate your content, right? And of course, publishing your content. And what is the most difficult challenge? Probably overcoming your challenges. While maintaining consistency can be really challenging when suppose you're traveling or you're not available, but it's still important to stay motivated and focused. Set realistic goals, celebrate your achievements, and do not be afraid to experiment with things. Try new things, please. It really helps. So many successful YouTubers and content creators really attribute their success to consistency. By staying committed to your content creation journey, you can really achieve amazing results. You can really thrive your online community. So remember, the one simple tip that can make the biggest difference in your video content creation is to prioritize consistency. By staying committed and focused, you can really build a successful and thriving channel. Yeah. Don't forget to share your experiences about consistency in the comments below. Please subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. I shall see you in the next video.